Make a great choice today with the 2021 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, stability control, front license plate bracket, remote power door locks, trailering package, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer. Come take a test drive today.